Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are trying on 2 new items from the Tory Burch Sport line. Now these are absolutely tennis chic. I was really excited to get these in the mail because they just seems like a very easy item to wear, right? Like pop it on with some jeans or pop on the dress and you are ready to go. Now, I will give a little bit of a spoiler that I was a little unenthused with the fit, and I think part of it is due to the construction. So we'll start to see that as we unbox here, but the print right in the front is actually made of a few different seams, and those seams are uncovered. So it's a little hard to wear this, and then of course it is a razor back, so if you are intending to wear a bra, then it's a little hard to, find the right back. But if you don't, then your chest is going to be up against all of those seams. So it's a little challenging, at least for me. But let me know in the comments below if you have this or if that's not an issue for you. Now, again, I was really intrigued to see both of these items online because it looked like it was just the tank top version versus the dress version. And I was excited to compare that when they actually arrived. So I can confirm that these feel like the exact same item, just made into a tank versus a dress. So I was excited to see that there were like these very two concrete options. Now, I did like the overall heaviness of the material. It's not too heavy, it's not too thin. It felt like a well-made product. I just wish that the fit was a little bit better. I'm just showing you the bottoms here so you can see how much of a size difference there is or length difference. Now, trying on the tank first, I felt like it landed in a good place. Like it wasn't too long, it wasn't too short to make it cropped. I overall liked the item. I just felt like I didn't have too much wiggle room. And I felt like I can't wear a bra with it. I wore my cakes with it. Links are in the descriptions below. And cakes actually really do stay in place. So I really do swear by them. But I don't know. I just felt a little strange in it. Now in the dress, I felt like it fit a little strange around the booty area. I did try an extra small, and online it did say everything does run a little bit small. So I do think this is my size, but I just felt constricted. Like I felt a little weird, if that makes sense. Now, I did pick up the 3 T monogram oblong scarves as well, and I just wanted to try it on to see if it would go with this outfit. I will say this was kind of a miss for me, but I do love the scarf. So if you are interested in seeing more of the scarf, do check out that dedicated unboxing video. That is all for this Tory Sport mini haul. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.